Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to dye armor in Monster Hunter World. Dyeing armor lets you customize colors without changing stats, which is useful once you reach high rank. First, make sure you are high rank and have unlocked armor pigment options. You will unlock high rank by completing the quest A Colossal Task through the main story progression. Head to your item box. Select Change Armor Pigment. Choose the armor piece you want to dye and adjust the color sliders. Confirm your changes and the armor color updates instantly. And that's how to dye armor in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.